Hello everyone, I am Kaushal Sharma, a second year BBA student from the Department of Commerce and Management. At Poddar, learning goes beyond classroom. It's a complete experience from the training and placement cell, management cell to other various clubs. Every platform here helps us to build a professional mindset. Poddar International College is a place where ideas build, confidence boost, which help us to gain real world exposure. My journey here has been truly transformation through case studies, presentation and industry interaction. I have learned to apply knowledge in real life through constant support and blessings of Honorable Chairman Sir Anand Poddar Sir and Mrs. Rupal Poddar Ma'am, along with the support of our dedicated faculty mentorship. Our team from Rajasthan reached at the finals of National Entrepreneurship Challenge, giving me an opportunity to present Poddar International College at IIT Bombay. Such exposure through presentation, case study, and industry interactions. Poddar International College helping us to build a professional mindset. So yeah, today I can confidently say that Poddar has built my confidence and preparing me for my future challenges. I'm proud to be a Poddarite. Thank you so much.
Poddar Group of Institutions